Welcome back to Kanye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got some crispy chicken sandwiches, all right? Now, I don't want to say Chick-fil-A and Popeyes, y'all might have a little competition, but hey, I'm gonna let y'all try it out for yourself, okay? So let's go through some of the ingredients we got here. Now, in this bowl right here, I got the chicken. It's been marinating overnight, so you know it's about to hit. You can have it marinate for about an hour at least, but the longer the better, of course. So in this marinade, I got about 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of pickle juice, and just a little bit of cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and onion powder. Yep, and it's all mixed up in here. Nice little concoction I got this. I've been marinating for a while, so can't wait to get that all breaded up. All right, got the pickles here, because you know we're gonna use that pickle juice, and we're also gonna use the pickles as well. If you don't like your sandwiches with pickles, hey, I'm sorry. You can just take the pickles out at the end. But pickle juice taste, it might be in there just a little bit, all right? We got some flour. Now we got some powdered sugar here. Something special, all right? I'm gonna let y'all know. I got put onto this, and trust me, this is the best way to make it. Just a little bit of powdered sugar. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna use it later, all right? We got some buttermilk, got some cornstarch, we got some various spices here. Paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed peppers. I might not use it, but we'll see. Chili powder as well. Threw some of that in there in the marinade as well. So we're gonna get to cooking here. I got the cast iron skillet. Now you can make this in a regular skillet, that's fine. I personally love the cast iron just because of the way evenly distributes the heat, so they say. So I'm gonna stick with it because hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So stay tuned and let's see how it turns out. All right, so let's go ahead and make the wet mix and the dry mix. So we're gonna start off with about 1.5 cups of flour. I got about 2.5 pounds of chicken. So I got quite a big amount. So usually I'll do a cup. We're gonna go with a little more than that. I don't even know why I'm doing this left-handed, I'm right-handed, so this feels very awkward to me right now. But we gonna get it done. We are gonna get it done. No more, all right, thank goodness. Okay, then we're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch. Probably gonna add about 1/2 cup. Go about 1/2 cup. Ooh. All right. That's good enough of that. Alrighty. And then we're also gonna add a little bit of baking powder. About 1/4 of a tablespoon in there. All right, so let's get to our spices, because you know you gotta season the flour. That is a must. So we can start off with, actually last time I made this, I want a little more cayenne. So I'm probably gonna do about 2 tablespoons. This is 1/2 tablespoon right here. Ooh, it's not even coming out right. See if I can get this cap on. Ooh, man. Okay, there you go. We got it coming out now. If you want a little bit more spice, put a little bit more cayenne in it. All right, that's enough. All right, we're gonna get some paprika in there. Anywhere from 1/2 tablespoon to a full tablespoon. I think I got some cayenne in my nose right now, I'm feeling it. All right. I'm gonna get some chili powder in there. Oh yeah. And some garlic. Garlic powder in there as well. Just a little bit of onion powder. Maybe not the full half tablespoon. Just a little bit in there. Yeah. There you go. Alrighty. And last but not least, some black pepper. And some salt. Now this is kosher salt, so the crystals are a bit bigger. So you're doing half a tablespoon of this compared to table salt, it's gonna be a lot different. So you can do a little more of this because these are bigger crystals. All right, so now we wanna get that all nice and mixed up. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Special ingredient, powdered sugar. Now I want to get about 3 tablespoons of this. Alrighty, I'm telling you. I was kind of surprised when I first heard about it too, but it works amazingly. All right, so we're gonna mix that in. Get that nice and mixed up. Oh yeah, that's looking beautiful right there. All right, so let's get the wet mix made now. So what we're gonna do here is get some buttermilk. Just a little bit, or about like half a cup in there. You honestly don't use too much wet mix when you're dipping it, but you still want a good amount. And get a little bit of pickle juice in here. One egg. And we're gonna season this as well, all right? So, it's a little paprika, a little cayenne, some garlic powder, and some chili powder. Alrighty, everyone get that all nice and mixed up. All right, so now that we got our dry mix and our wet mix done, guess it's time to fry. So let's get to the breading process and the frying process. All right, so now it's time to bread the chicken. This part can get a little bit messy, but hey, it is definitely worth it, okay? So what we're going to do is, we got the chicken here that's been marinating. We're going to go dry, wet, dry, and then place it on a rack, okay? Pretty simple. Get this one out here. dry. Get that nice and coated. All right, then we're gonna shake that off. Now we'll get it wet. Ooh, then we're gonna go back. Shake that off, we're gonna go back to dry. All right, get that on there. Wanna get that, really wanna, you press it if you want to. I've seen someone, they say, hey, pressing it is how you do it. You gotta press it into the chicken. All right, get that nice and submerged in there. Get it all nice and covered. All right, once you get that nice and covered, shake it off, place it down. So my hands always get just clumped up when I do this. I don't know how to avoid it. I've seen some people wear gloves. That may be a good way. I might try that. We'll see. But until then, we just go bare naked hands, baby. Throw that in there. All right, so let's get to frying and let's get these in the skillet. All right, let's get to frying. So we want to lay the chicken away from you first so you don't splash no oil on top of you. Get that in there. Probably let it cool off for a little too long. Now that, my friend, is a beautiful chicken sandwich. Look at that. Show you that. Look at that drip right there. Ooh, man, you know what they say? There is beauty in the simple things. And this is just a simple, crispy chicken sandwich with a little, some pickles on top. Oh, and that sauce? That's a special sauce. I ain't giving that one just away yet, but that's my special sauce, all right? So, time to try it. Ooh, I'm ready to dig into this one. Let's get it going. What side? Well, I like the side that sticks out. We'll go with. Oh yeah. Oh my. I'm getting way after. Oh. I know y'all heard that crunch. My goodness. When I tell you, I don't care. I just want to eat this. Like I said before, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, I might be catching up. Y'all better watch out. That's so good. Well, that was amazing. Well, no more. That's all I got to say. Try it yourself, and I promise you, you're gonna love it. That powdered sugar, it's a secret. I'm telling you, it's a nice little touch to it. So, I'm gonna go finish this. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the next episode. We out.